Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ViewSonic LX 704K 4K laser gaming projector. So friend, ViewSonic introducing the LX 700 4K laser projector for the Xbox, designed exclusively for the Xbox, and it features native 4K Ultra HD resolution, 3500 lumens of brightness, and built-in Harman Kardon speakers to immersive big screen audio and video experience with images up to 300 inches. And ViewSonic again partnered with Microsoft to deliver best gaming experience to Xbox Series XS console to develop the LX 700 4K laser projector, and it is compatible with the Xbox Series and features Xbox exclusive resolution and refresh rate combinations. When used with other video sources, it runs with 4.2 millisecond response time and 240 Hz refresh rate for super smooth gaming and video playback. And friend, it is compatible with the Xbox Series, allowing the projector to turn on automatically when the Xbox is turned on, and it will be connected via HDMI 2, and it will be automatically switched to gaming mode, which delivers the best visual with enhanced colors. Other features include vertical lens shifts, 1.36 times optical zoom, HP keystone, and 4 corner adjustments, so the projector can be installed in a variety of environments for a seamless environment setup. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.